Falling in.
Dang, bro, I feel horrible. This pollen's killing me, dude. I washed my car yesterday. Washed it yesterday and like it's yellow again, dude. There's no point in washing my car right now. Damn, bro, but this pollen's really killing me, man. Ouch! Hit my head on the ceiling. Oh, I can't even breathe. I can't even breathe. I get my chrome tint done tomorrow. I'm excited for that. Really excited stuff. I will record, so if y'all are watching, stay tuned for that. The chrome tint is getting put on tomorrow. It is getting on tomorrow. Make an alarm so you can be on point when I put it up. When I post. When I put it up, yeah, whatever. Yeah, I'm on my way to school right now. If y'all not what's it called, subscribed, yeah, man, subscribe, man. We at like 160. We're almost to 200. I know we can do it by the end of this month. We got 2 weeks. We got 2 or 3 weeks left of March. I know we can do it. We got 2 or 3 weeks. I'm gonna stay consistent on my stuff, but I need y'all to do y'all part too. I know some of y'all be slurping on this, man. I had some, bro. This is so good. I got little sisters, so you know when you got like little siblings, you'll always have stuff like this around the house, man. These things bust. I should probably charge my phone before I get to school. Yeah, man. I need some jack stands. I want to. Damn, bro. What's up with them? I know they're not honking at me. They're honking at you, señorita. They're honking at you. Man, I need to go to Harbor Freight to get some jack stands, but I got no time. So I'm hoping my school can, like, you know, let me some tools and I can work in the garage and do this bada bing bada boom. Excuse me, where are my manners? Yeah, hopefully they could let me do my thing in the garage, man. Cause I really need to go those right here. I really need to go those parts on, bruh. If y'all don't know, man, this is your sway bar end links. There's no address on here, is there? No. What is that? I just scared myself. These are your sway bar end links. I've been asking a couple of people. They said the car should be fine. Running with bad sway bar end links, obviously, you don't sound the prettiest. This is it, bro. This is it. Tlaka tlaka tlaka. This is what makes a tlaka tlaka sound. If your car's making a tlaka tlaka sound and it's not from your engine, this is it. But if it's coming from your engine makes a tlaka tlaka sound, that is no good. You need a new engine. Dang, bro, but oh, shit was green. We gotta hurry up, man. This light changes mad fast. I do not got time. Man, I feel like as I get older, man, you start to realize, man, you cannot take time for granted. I'm gonna start talking like an old head now. Yeah, no, bro, that's such facts, man. Like, I'm barely 20, and like I already understand what the older heads be like. Man, don't take time for granted. You know, if you want to do something, do it now. Do not procrastinate, because procrastination will catch up to your ass, and it will bite you. It will bite you hard. It sucks. Thankfully, I'm catching on to like that now. Like, you know, I gotta do something. Like before, you know, when I was young, I used to play a lot of video games. I still play video games now, but not as much as I used to. Like, I don't have to do something, but I'd be like, I'll do it later. I'm gonna keep playing, or I'm gonna just keep chilling. I'll do it later. The consequences when you're younger are not as drastic or not as serious as when you get older. When you get older, you get a lot more responsibility. Once you become an adult, man, you could be arrested for some dumb stuff, bro. Like, no, like, it's all seriousness. Something so small can get you in big trouble. So just some little life lessons I've been learning as I grow. I'm only 20, bro. I don't want to say I'm old. I'm not old yet. Don't call me old. I'm still young. I'm still young. Free phone, man. I need a new phone. Free phone? I was trying to call my girl earlier, but my phone, like, I couldn't hear no audio, bro. That's how bad it's getting. That's how bad it's getting, bro. But yeah, man, I'm so excited to get that chrome tint on tomorrow. It's gonna look so sexy. That chrome tint is fun to be sexy. Now then, people can't look, they can't stare at me mad hard. Once I get that chrome tint on, they're not gonna be able to stare at me mad hard when I'm in the car. Ooh, that's nice. I got some lower downpipes in my trunk. I want to get those installed, but I kind of want to wait. I want to wait till I get the exhaust. That way I can all do it out, so I can do it all at once. I don't know. I might see. I might get a shop to do the lower downpipes, and I might do the exhaust, because I know the exhaust, bro, it's literally just bolts and stuff up and jacking it up. It's not that bad. But let me run into the gas station real quick. I'll put this camera back up when I get out. That's what I got, y'all. Oh, it's an ice cream buzz. Bro, so good. I stopped at the gas station and got my girlfriend showing us some soda and ice cream. I got myself one too. Bro, it's like fruity but sweet. It has all the best flavors. I'm falling in love with this ice cream. But we're like probably like 2 minutes away from school. We should be there on time. Hold on. Let me go ahead and put the car in sport. Bruh. I put the car in sport like on the way, what'd you say? I left the gas station. Man, this car picked up, like you forget. It's like you forget what the car is capable of, bruh. Holy. Sucking on Sponge's nuts. That's crazy. Oh, damn. We got traffic. We got traffic, man. I don't need traffic because everybody in traffic could just stare at me. Yeah, a poopy Mustang. I just kidding, Mustangs are cool. But I was all keep thinking about getting a Mustang. I heard one yesterday, but I don't know. I like the older Mustangs, not gonna lie. I like the old 5.0s. My bad, y'all. I'm probably gonna cut the video because, man, keep smacking this ice cream. Oh, we gotta hurry up before I change the color. Damn, we got caught for real. We got stuck in traffic. Oh, G80. G82. Okay. Somebody cooked. Bro, I want to own one, at least one in my lifetime, bro. A G80 or a G82. They're not crazy, like, I don't know. An $80,000 vehicle, if you really think about it. Not saying they're cheap. An $80,000 vehicle, not saying they're cheap. But if you really want an $80,000 vehicle and you work hard, you can have you can have that. It's not unattainable. It's a whole mind thing, bro. If you tell yourself you can get something, you're gonna get it. When you keep doubting yourself, be like, damn, that's so much money, bro. How am I gonna get that, bro? You're never gonna get it. You gotta tell yourself, man, I can get that. That's light work. Now you gotta think of like, what are you gonna do to get that? You know what I mean? Don't cock block yourself if you're not even in the game. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably do one more pull and then cut the video short. Cause I am about to get to school. Damn, bro, man, this is draining. Going to school, work. I ain't asked for this lifestyle. I'm just playing. But if I can't handle this, how am I gonna handle a business, you know? Sound all smart and shit, sucking on a lollipop stick. What time is it? 5:47. I'm gonna get out with my pool fire. I gotta go, cause I ain't gonna lie. I heard a whining sound though. So hold on. You know when something don't sound good, you gotta test it. But out, bro. No, it says good job. Yeah. But I'm gonna probably cut the video right here, bro. Damn. Alright, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.